so I am back and this is my final results.
Absolutely, positively no.
Hey you guys, what it do? It's your girl, Curly Girl Faith, back at it again with another video. In today's video, I will be featuring Flora and Curl. These products are literally so freaking cute. Like, I just can't. It just makes me want to go to Hawaii or something. But before we get in today's video, make sure you guys are subscribed. It is free. Hit that notification bell. I post once a week. You don't want to miss out. Also, thumbs up this video if you like this type of content, and let's get into this video. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, which you should, it's gonna be right up here somewhere, probably right here, at Curly Girl Faith, you will have seen that I've tried this clay wash. It was my first time trying a clay wash and it was amazing. It was an amazing experience, and I am glad that I am bringing this into my regimen. And you guys, this is not your regular 8-ounce leave-in conditioner. This is a 10-ounce. Like, shout out to Flora Curl for doing that. This is their curl activating lotion. I didn't even make a dent, and I know I applied a lot. I went ahead and applied it in the shower because, you know, that's what I do. I apply my leave-ins in the shower. If you guys haven't, this says that this is a botanically infused curl styling lotion formulated to activate your curl shape and reveal your pattern. It is a frizz combating, weather resistant formula that absorbs instantly to smoothen the cuticles. I know the clay wash made my hair more easy to detangle, but y'all, this was gliding through my hair, like slipping, sliding down my hair. It's really lightweight, but it really moisturized my hair. As for this 10-ounce CurlDefining Gel, it says that it interacts with each individual hair strand to add body, control, and definition. Rice protein provided extra conditioning, while marshmallow root delivers unprecedented slip. And sweet almond adds shine, leaving curls defined, soft, and more enchanted. Y'all, I'm here for the claims. Go ahead and tell me, what is this gonna do to my hair? And we're gonna see at the end whether or not it did it or not. That's what we like to see, the end result. So you guys, I literally use this much in the shower. That's it. I like to go ahead and put a shower cap on to let my leave-in conditioner, hair milk, whatever I'm using, marinate. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight in with the CurlDefining Gel. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the consistency. Oh wow, look at that. It is really giving me Uncle Funky's daughter consistency. It is nothing like, and I mean nothing like, no wet line or no Eco Styler Gel. Y'all know about that, the real OGs. It is nothing like that. Hopefully it doesn't flake, because I might be a little bit heavy-handed with this gel. Maybe, maybe not, I might. Okay. Oh wow. It feels really nice. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing this foaming little thing, but so far, so good. Wow. This is new. Okay, okay, okay. I know you see it. Aha! Let's go. And it's not clumping my hair. You know how like Wetline Extreme Eco Styler Gel, gels like that will clump your curls, like with big old clumps. These are like ringlets. This is bomb. This is real juicy. By the way, how are you guys doing? It is stressful. School has started. I have a hurricane headed my way here in Louisiana. How is life? 2020, I am blessed. That's all I can say. I'm not gonna sit here and complain. I am blessed. How are y'all doing? That's the real question. I really do like how it is separating my curls. I really like that about this gel. Go ahead and comment down products you guys would like me to try. I know there's products that you guys want to try, but like really don't want to buy. So let me go ahead and be that person that try it out for you guys. Like, I would like to experiment and try new things for y'all. I want to make content for y'all, not just for me. I want to help y'all grow and help y'all find good products for your hair. As you guys may have seen from the previous couple of videos, I am getting more comfortable with looser gels. I was, scared, but now I'm starting to like them. They are really starting to grow on me. So you guys, that is it for this back section. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up. You guys know how I do my wash and goes. Go ahead and knock these out, and I'll be back once I fully applied all of this gel. But just that one section, I am right here, barely even made a dent. So hey you guys, so I am back and everything is fully applied. This is what my hair is looking like. I can tell the moisture is going to be bomb. Now the definition, we will have to see when my hair dries. I'll be back with my hair done and my final opinions on this hair product. Hey you guys, so I am back.
Wait a minute.
And this is my final results.
Absolutely, positively no.
Yeah, I know you see it. Flake City. Christmas came early and it is snowing like crazy. This is what it's looking like so far. Not good. I am honestly, truly disappointed. This right here, this curl activating lotion, it felt like heaven on earth. Literally was gliding through my hair, moisturized my hair. My hair does feel moisturized. They have that. But combining these two was my mistake. This curl defining gel and the lotion. I don't know if I applied too much, but really, what is too much? Like, I applied enough to where I felt like my hair would be defined, and that's how it's supposed to be. Plain and simple. Would I recommend this curl activating lotion? Yes, but you would have to play with it and see what other styling cream, custard it would work with so you won't get any flaking. This, I might have to go ahead and try this alone. I don't know if the combination with the styling lotion and this gel made it flake, I don't know. But we're gonna have to try this on another day. So you guys, will I try this again? Probably not, because I don't want any more failed looks, you know. Sis gotta go to school, I gotta do all types of stuff. I can't walk around looking like who did it and why did they do it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side for now. So you guys, that is it for my floral and curl review. Please comment down below if you have any questions or different brands you guys would like for me to try on my channel. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. Also, please thumb up this video if you like this type of content. See you guys in the next video. Bye.